Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching me. Today I want to tell you about couple new things. It's just I discovered this, and one it's Jaclyn Hill Palate. I know already so many really reviews about this palette, but really I don't rush with my review because I won't use first. I try to model. I have 1000 swatch. Now I have my full opinion about this palette. But I want something to show you new. I just discovered this. It's like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Looks like this. You can see it's wet now. I'm special wet. It's so soft. It's most softest really blender. It's smart blender. You can see looks like this. This flat part, it's very fast to apply. I like this so much. But to understand me correct, I like Beauty Blender too. But I think this one's softest. This brand Innisfree, I think it's Korean brand. I will show you here. But everything what I show you today, I will link below in info box. And guys, this one, such amazing product. Soft, very easy to wash, beautiful. Have like this color, like pinky color, looks like this. You can see. And like this gray. I like both one, it's amazing. And I want to show you primer. It's so cool primer. I hear about this a lot. I saw so many YouTube vloggers use for makeup. It's Louise, but I bought two. Number 2 Base Classic and Mama Mitchell. Louise. It's a color blend canvas. It's just both amazing. I want to swatch for you and I tell you what I like more. Which one I like more? This one blend canvas or this one base number 2. First we do swatch. Number 1 it's Louise blend canvas Mama Mitchell. Second one it's Louise base number 2. I apply a lot, you will see. You can see here this Louise Mama Mitchell first one, this one, and this Louise base number 2. Really almost identical color, but it's a little bit different texture. And Louise number 2 base more pinky. This one more neutral blend canvas. If I have choice to this one or this one, really I will choose this one. I tell you why. Because this one have, see, like thin, like nasal, very thin, nice. It's very nice. You can apply exactly how much you need product. And this one, it's little bit, it's like, see, like bigger hole, but I don't like this so much. Why? Because you cannot apply so much, but you should for your brush use. But I like better in my skin, don't put brush here. It's like just different, but both, guys, amazing product. And the same amount, it's 15 milliliters, but this one before expire 12 months, this one 6 months. And I will choose this one, but both amazing. Okay, let's come back to palette. You can see this box. Here her face, this she say, many things good, I like. Palette looks like this, you can see it's like material cardboard. It's nice, it's sleek, but white. And you can see you open this one you have. I'm already work with this eyeshadow palette. You can see almost every color I use. It's a little bit already dirty. But guys, I first show you swatch and we speak about palette. What I like, what I don't like. First road swatch. We started with certified and go like this, you can see. Second swatch and we started with no joke, you can see like this. Third row looks like this. Fourth row, you can see very bright, very pigmented. And last one, fifth row, you can see. Okay guys, I want to show you a couple swatch of this palette on my face before I will try this eyeshadow. I apply foundation, Dior Backstage, my color 3.5. It's amazing, lightweight. I love so much this foundation. And you can see like this bright. I will choose some bright colors and try on my face. And let's start it. And I forgot to mention this. I have this one. You can see. It's so cool. It's color switch. You can. I like always if I try. One brush the same because to be fair for every eyeshadow put the same brush. I use Marc Jacobs 22. I like this brush. It's very nice brush. Shades brush. But you try eyeshadow, you apply, but you swirl from here It's nice. It's like clean brush again. So good. I like so much. And let's start it with some beautiful bright, maybe this one, I think bright. You can see like this. I have my mirror. Thank you, Jeffree Star. It's so cool. You can see. I will try like beautiful color. It's like a wash of color. It's not very bright like in palette, but it's beautiful. Almost the same, but very nice. I like. But it's pressed pigment. You should remember this. Maybe this one purple. It's not my favorite color, but for you guys I won't try. You can see how it looks beautiful. But guys, you remember this pressed pigment have a lot of fun. Remember this, please. You always doing first eyes. Okay, and try this pinky one. It's nice. Beautiful pinky. I can be like bright. The rainbow, really beautiful. I just one time touch it. Okay, and we try. I don't like this violet so much. It's a little bit patchy. I don't like so much. You can see. I will show you now. You can see it's more patchy color, but still very good. It's very difficult to make purple eyeshadow, but it's not easy, I know, but it's for this money, guys. It's very good price. Okay, oops, my mirror, sorry, almost crashed. And this side, I want to swatch for you this one, shimmer colors. Guys, you see this color? It's like right or diamond. It's such a beautiful color. I will something show you so funny. You can see that one. And Tom Ford. This one, it's golden mint palette, you can see. I will show you swatch. It's really almost identical topper. It's crazy. But guys, almost $100 Tom Ford. You can see it's first one, it's Tom Ford. Second one, it's right or diamond. Really almost identical color. Looks beautiful. I like this so much. And I will show you for this part, these three beautiful, very soft. It's like creamy texture. I don't know. It's a very nice. So this one, it's creamiest one. It's so good. And I show you of my this one part. Guys, how it's beautiful. This shimmery formula. It's soft, like amazing. I like this color so much. But in the middle, my favorite. It's so beautiful, like pinky, bronzy. Of course, I will show you yellow. And my mirror, but you can see it's really yellow. It's a little bit patchy. It's not really, you can see how it's okay. It's really okay. It's nothing I will put more, but it's just okay. I can say this color like I love and something amazing yellow in my life. No, it's okay. Pressed pigment here nice, but it's not crazy. I like classic really eyeshadow. And I like this shimmery, like metallic, beautiful. But pressed pigment, it's okay. It's just okay. It's better, really, this like foil eyeshadow apply with finger. For brush, you can see how it's difficult to take, but you can see how I will put more one. You can see it's beautiful colors. It's nice. And I show you. Maybe which one I can show you, maybe can show you this one and black. This one I don't like so much. Black have like micro shimmer, but it's okay. You will see. I will show you this. First I will show you black. You see it's like patchy. It's not like crazy the best black, no, ever, no. But it's good, it's not bad. And last one I will show, it's crazy. This one, close with black. I'll apply, and it's a lot of fallout, a lot, guys. Should remember this. See, this color I don't like. This color is like more like patchy, but it's okay, but it's not my favorite. And I will start what I don't like first. I don't like because no mirror, but again, I don't mind this, but it's if you need for yourself, if you want to do makeup, you know, on to go or somewhere, you better you have mirror. But if you're professional makeup artist, really you don't need mirror. But They try to be price lower and for production, I think, and no mirror because of this really. But guys, 35 shades, $39. It's like 56 gram. It's like, I tell you, 198 ounce. But guys, it's like 1 gram, 67 cents. It's like so cheap. It's really, if you're thinking about Chinese eyeshadow, but it's like Rolls Royce from Chinese eyeshadow. Don't forget, please, before you apply eyeshadow, put primer, something like, I don't know, like concealer if you like concealer. I don't like so much concealer, but because it's very difficult from wash from your face for your eyelid, I try to do swatch, but it's really, I wash couple times my hand from take away this like pinky bright colors. It's really should remember this. And please, doing first eyes after face. It's very important because this eyeshadow have fallout, but not this one like classic eyeshadow, more like pressed pigment. It's like this one, this, you can see this one have pressed pigment. This one, it's like, it's okay. I'm not like crazy, but for this money, it's very good price. If you don't have this color bright, I think you will love. If you have all of this color, if you're professional makeup artist, I don't think so you need this. But I can say I love this palette more than I don't like. Really, very well done. Okay guys, Rainbow won't tell you bye and see you next video, and please subscribe if you still not subscribed to my channel. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and see you next video. Bye.